So this is Niko's home. He lives here right by the window in the kitchen. And he lives in a king cage. He's been in this cage now for 24 years. And as you can see, he's quite content. He kind of hangs out, he grooms. The cage itself is in remarkable condition. It's quite large. There are 2 swing out bowls here. 1 and 2. And Niko gets quite possessive, as you can see when you start touching his stuff. He gets quite possessive. Here he comes. Is that your bowl? Is that your bowl? He has a few select toys that are in there, and he likes to snuggle up against that green thing when he sleeps. I don't know, maybe it keeps him warm. I don't think that you would ever call this a cage per se. I don't think he considers it to be a cage. More likely, it's his domain to be protected at all costs. Next to the cage, I have a play stand which I built for him, and he enjoys going on that as well. I think that he considers that as part of his domain as well.